just wanna go home. I'm done and I'm ready to home. I'm at the subway station on my way to the airport. Let's go to Colombia. Next station Colombia. At first 1.5 hours flight to Bogota, then a layover, and then 1.5 hours flight to Cartagena. Really excited, and yeah, so the last month, today in 1 month I will be at home. I will be already at my parents' house. Crazy, it's so crazy. Yeah, by the way, the flight before was my 30th flight on this trip. So I'm in Colombia, yeah! Just an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour in Colombia, and I love already Colombia. The town is really nice, people are awesome, the food is cheap, really cheap, and yeah, so it's perfect, just perfect time. So steep. I hope I can go it out because it's really steep. And now here's the sign that it's a building site, so it's nothing down there. I hope I can get it out. So let's hope. I gotta ask Roy today twice if I wanna have cocaine. So yep, I'm in Colombia. So 625 stairs to the top. It was really nice. lake on the bottom of the mountain. Also really nice hike, or not hike, but really nice. Now I'm probably try to go to the other town. So now I'm in Tape. Oh, it's so beautiful city, completely colorful, really nice. So I made it! It's really cool. I went already inside, so it's definitely worth it to go down there, especially when you go from Colombia to Ecuador, because the border is right back there.
I knew that the last month will be the hardest one, but this hard. I never knew. It's so crazy. Everything goes up down. Just wanna go home. I'm done and I'm ready to home. Yeah.
So I'm at the airport after more than 3 hours of driving around. It's way longer than everybody told me. That's the good thing, is that I left the hotel a little bit earlier. So they gave me a boarding pass for tomorrow, pretty much the same day, but they don't pay for anything else, for a hotel or something, because the plane couldn't land because of bad weather, and it's not their fault. It's not the fault of the airline, so it's completely stupid. So it's midnight and it's crazy loud days outside, like it would be in the middle of the day. The one guy, he's changing wheels, tires with the air things, which is really loud, since I don't know 30 minutes. Then the horn the whole time and all this stuff. So I'm excited if I can sleep. It's crazy. But before it was nothing. The whole time it was nothing until 11 or 11:30, and now they're starting to do everything and get crazy. the baggage, like going in the hostel. I found out that there's a free walking tour in Bogota, and I did it already in Sydney, Melbourne, Auckland, and it's really nice.
What do you think?
That's good.
So they're offering us here right now canelazo, which is a very typical thing. You might notice it's warm. It's warm because Bogota is cold. So we drink it on cold nights. You find it on the streets. And this canelazo thing is made with multiple typical things. So cheers to you guys.
Cheers.
Riecht ein bisschen besser als.
The BBC of London came here, they did the studies, and they went back to
Alright guys, that's the first part of my last month. First 10 days I was a lot of up and downs, and yeah, but so I hope the last few days it's better than it was in Ipiales, and yeah, but that's it. That's the life of traveling. It's sometimes you have downs, sometimes you have ups, so that's normal. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching it. I hope you liked it, enjoyed it, and maybe a thumbs up or nice comments. And don't forget to subscribe and share it to other people who wanna travel to Colombia. And yeah, so next time Peru. Next time, probably in the next video, I will show you the main reason why I did this trip, why I came on this big adventure. So yeah, stay tuned and see you next time.